Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for another slap fighting competition.
Fire! Foul! Foul!
Discount Mark Henry appeared to have a great slap, but turns out it was a clubbing blow.
Come here.
Foul! Foul!
Back-to-back slaps, a foul for Discount Mark Henry. He was flinching this time, looking like Jeff Hardy behind the wheel. How many violations you gonna have? He'd be stripped of an opportunity to slap in the second round.
You lit liquor.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. You think you can do this to me? It's my turn!
Had that brother stepping back into February. Black History Month was only 30 days ago. He slapped the cotton out his ear. That's gotta be some form of racism.
Man, that's some racist shit right there.
You don't find that suspicious?
He's channeling the power of Dr. Umar Johnson.
Keep on trying to unlock.
White man down!
Oh my God.
I did it for The Rock. I did it for Dr. Umar.
Black power! Black power!
Good job, my brother. We rocking with you.
He slapped the life out that man. He got a shirt that says Red's Gym, but he pulling up black and blue. Man's got hit so hard, even his trainer is feeling the effects. He holding up the water like it's smelling salt. What Ross be saying on In the Clutch? Throw up the X.
And it's all over!
How you take 2 violations for flinching and clubbing and still walk out with a knockout victory? Looking like Buddy got sent to the back of the line because he tried to sneak into TSA pre-check. Look at his face. He knew this was a bad decision. Looking like a man at the altar who's marrying his second choice. It's never too late to turn back.
Shutting down.
I guess not.
Rumor has it his girlfriend told him to come back from the competition with a ring, not his ears ringing.
A ring.
Luckily, he's not convulsing, so we know he's not on vibrate. He's stuck on silent. If he ever want to hear the ring, he's gonna have to go to Blue Nile.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Alright, so boom, as you already know, when shopping for jewelry, first things first. Exactly. You haven't a clue where to start. I know I didn't have a clue where to start. I knew I wanted it to look beautiful. I knew I wanted the best bang for my buck, but I had no clue where to turn first. But that's where Blue Nile comes in. BlueNile.com is the original online jeweler. They're committed to ensuring that the highest ethical standards are observed when sourcing diamonds and jewelry. They've got expert advice 24/7, plus legendary service with 30-day returns. When you commit to a piece, so does Blue Nile. You get a guaranteed service and repair for life. I bought my mother a bracelet and she hasn't taken it off since. Not perfect? No problem. Blue Nile comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Every order is insured and arrives quickly in discreet packaging that won't give away what's inside. And if you need your special purchase fast, in most cases, Blue Nile can deliver overnight. So do yourself a favor and click the link in my description to find your perfect jewelry gift today and use code Chiseled and get $50 off on purchases of $500 or more.
The link is down below.
Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
This fat son of a bitch.
I got a question for the audience. Why are there so many bald or balding fat men with beards in slap fighting? Usually they'd be the fans in sports, but in slap fighting, they the talent. I know Redbeard going to sleep because he initiated way too many handshakes.
Here I go!
Wait a minute, his defense is on 99? Okay, Metapod.
It's my turn.
Oh Lord, the cotton came out again, and he'd receive a penalty for a clubbing blow.
You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
I hope you black men were paying attention.
Brace yourself, danger coming. Have a seat, young man.
I'll fucking do it again.
I want that son of a bitch dead. I want him dead.
Was Man's shoeless before, or did he get slapped out his sneakers? Great value King Kong Bundy done lost his equilibrium.
As you can see, I am not dead.
Gotta give it to homie, he's a warrior. Somehow he remains in the fight. Time to hand out a receipt.
You do well. You do well.
Is that man shaking his head in excitement for his next slap? He's got something in store.
It's more dangerous. Umar Johnson.
We must stay focused, brothers.
Keep on trying to unlock.
For Father Africa.
Somebody stop the damn man! Enough's enough!
That nigga is dead. D-U-D.
I hope they bury you!
Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah! Black power! Black power!
Good Good job, my brother. We rocking with you.
Heavens to Betsy, that man got slapped into a different dimension. Got him looking like a victim of a car crash. Look at his body laying there, limp, lifeless. Even the referee looked disgusted. He looked back at the black man like, God damn. Man's got crucified. Look at his arms. Matthew 16, verse 24. Then Jesus told his disciples, if anyone would come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. This brother's on the wood. Looks like Good Friday came 2 weeks early, but they ain't gonna be no Easter Sunday because he's staying in the shadow realm. They squeezing him on the ground, trying to roll him into a casket. That brother done. Laying there looking like a Snorlax on Route 16. I can't make it to Fuchsia City because your ass in the way. Rumor has it they had to airlift this man to the hospital. They called on the Transformers and they sent Blackout.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer, paracofer.
Load him in the casket. He got sent to the gulag from the east to the west, back to the east, back to the west. Mama said when he was a child he used to love nap time, but tonight,
This fat son of a bitch.
Going to sleep for good.
your winner and new slap fighting world's heavyweight champion, discount clearance aisle, great value holiday sale, Mark Henry.
That's what I do. That's what I do.
He's gonna need a medic. Somebody please call the goddamn EMT.
Finish him.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
This motherfucker's dead.
Damn. Put that nigga ass in the dirt.
Welcome to your first day in the afterlife.
You lose.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please. Please.
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.